I just finished my first year on YouTube being monetized, and today I'm going to show you exactly how much YouTube paid my small channel. Not a million subscriber channel, and definitely not a huge influencer channel. I am just a regular channel built by a midlife grandma who had never made a YouTube video before starting. Now, we're going to break down my top 5 earning videos, the total revenue from my first year, plus the 3 biggest lessons that I learned that completely changed my channel and my income. Because honestly, the numbers might really surprise you, but the journey to get there is what most people don't really talk about. Hey there, I'm Wendy. I am a grandma from Ontario, Canada. I help fellow midlifers to learn how to build income online using things like YouTube, digital products, and affiliate marketing. But here is the interesting part. YouTube wasn't where I started my journey. When I first started digital marketing back in 2024, I was 55 years old. I built my business on short form platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That's where I ran my business for the entire first year of my business. But if you've ever worked on those platforms, it can feel like you're married to the algorithm. It's like always constantly post consistently 3 times a day, sometimes, more even. And if you stop posting, you stop losing momentum. Your views disappear almost immediately, and it's a very fast-paced environment. And honestly, there were also a lot of scammers floating around on those platforms, which really bothered me, and it didn't feel authentically me. So I started looking at YouTube. And what I loved about YouTube immediately was this. YouTube content can be evergreen. Instead of disappearing in 24 hours, a video can work for you for months, even years after you post it. And the people watching YouTube are typically coming here to learn something. They're looking for solutions. They're searching for answers. And that was the kind of audience that I wanted to build a relationship with. If you've been on that journey with me, then thank you for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. Here's kind of a funny part. When I started YouTube, I had never made a YouTube video in my life. Not one. I was a complete beginner, and you probably realize that a long form YouTube video is totally different than a 30-second TikTok video. I felt like I was just kind of throwing spaghetti at the wall. I was trying to figure it out as I went, but at least I was trying, right? Trying different videos, testing things, seeing what worked, seeing what didn't. And the first thing that actually helped me to push my channel towards monetization was something interesting. I saw some other people doing this, so I thought I'd give it a try. At the time, I'd gotten pretty good at TikTok, so I created a TikTok training. And I decided to offer it on my YouTube channel so I could share that with people who wanted to learn. And still to this day, if you look at my playlist, like right here, you will actually see that there is my TikTok training. And most of it is still relevant today. A few things have changed with TikTok, but overall, it's still good. Now, having that helped me build my views a lot faster because people were watching the training. I had 12 different modules, so they'd go from lesson 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. And it really pushed my channel into monetization, relatively quickly. But even though I got monetized, the income at the beginning was very, very small. Let's look at some of the numbers here right now. Okay, so here is in my YouTube studio, and you can see the back office, my analytics, and shows the date January to December 2025. I got monetized late in December. So let's look at here. You can see this graph shows me something very, very interesting. And that is right here. You see in, June the 5th is when I really started, I was monetized all the way here. But this is when I really started to understand YouTube. Like I said, I was throwing spaghetti at the wall here. I really did not know what I was doing. And that's okay. I don't want to pat myself on the back. I was trying. I was doing the thing, right? And I wasn't giving up. And I want to say that's one of the main things is you do not want to give up. You want to keep trying. If I would have learned some of these lessons earlier on in my journey, it would have sped up my process. So if you want to not waste time, like I did, learn the hard way, then it's good to learn from somebody who's already achieved what you want to achieve. That just speeds up the process, right? And I have had people reach out to me and say, I haven't made anything with my YouTube channel. Well, look at me. I mean, $12. I mean, it's not bad. $2, $6, $4.97, $3.91, $5.58. When it does add up, over the whole year, I made over $19,000. That's great. I love that. It's not going to replace an income for me. I was 55. I wanted to retire earlier. I wanted to have more flexibility with my income. So having YouTube alone for me and for most creators, honestly, most people, it's not going to replace your income unless you grow a really big channel. But most of us just won't do that, right? It'll give you a little bit of extra money, which is great. And I love that. But once I started really learning YouTube, you can see I went up to like, what was this one? $246 in one day. And then the next day, $180 in a day. These are better numbers. Now, interestingly enough, the first half of the year almost, from January till June the 5th, 6th, I made about $1,000 of that revenue. The rest of that 19,000 was this last 7 months of the year. Once I learned the strategy on how to do this properly. So this tells me, and it should tell you, that if you do want to learn this quicker, I have put together a YouTube success starter kit, and it's designed to help you figure out this faster. So you can grab that in the description below if you really want to learn how to start YouTube. Now I'm going to show you my top 5 videos and how much they made me. There's more videos, but we're just going to look at these. Now look at this one. The easiest digital side hustle to start after 50. And this is YouTube AdSense alone. If you're going to start a YouTube channel, I honestly believe you should layer in additional income. You really should. You should build it strategically so YouTube is not your only income stream, because you need to have as much revenue from one video as you can. So you're not working harder, you're working smarter. So let me just show you right here, like the easiest digital side hustle. This is the YouTube video. This is my AdSense from that video. But you know how much that video brought me in addition to AdSense? From digital marketing, which means programs and courses, like a digital course that this video brought me. $47,000 from this video in addition to AdSense. So this is AdSense plus $47,000 from one video. That doesn't even include affiliate marketing, which means layered in income of tools that people get from this video that they decide to purchase, recommended tools and platforms. So layering in is so brilliant. And if you want to learn this strategy, I teach that in my Passion to Profits workshop. It's free. You can find that in the description below as well. Now, let's get to the next one. This one, 5 easy passive income streams for beginners over 50, work from home. This again, $3,000 from AdSense. Plus it made me income as well from all the other things. You know, funny thing is, these are still bringing me in income today. This is still growing, this AdSense revenue. That is the power of YouTube. That's why I always suggest YouTube as the foundation. So 6 best remote side hustles for in your 50s, no skill needed, right? 3,000. This one, how I made $650,000 in 13 months and retired at 55. This is exactly my story, how I started with digital marketing, how I've layered in. Actually, this is before YouTube. I made this before YouTube. This is when I was on TikTok and Instagram. But then I've moved over to YouTube because the power of YouTube is when you post a video, and if you do it properly, and when you start to get monetized, you're growing your business, plus you're growing ad revenue. So YouTube pays you for growing your business. Okay, so this one has made me $1,300. Now this just goes to the end of December 2025. I mean, we are in March now, right? So that's another 2 months of income if I show you those numbers, but you get the idea. The easiest way to earn online, and it's $576. Now these are not laughable numbers, right? These are numbers that are very encouraging, but you see, the YouTube journey does go up and down. That is why YouTube is such a smart platform to layer in whatever business that you want to build and you want to do. So AdSense is just one small piece of the puzzle. If you're only relying on YouTube AdSense, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. The real strategy is using YouTube as the foundation and layering in different income streams like affiliate products, digital products, courses, memberships, workshops. Every video can generate multiple types of income. And actually, I break this entire strategy down in another video that I did that looks like this. And I'm going to share that link at the end of this video. So keep watching, because once you see how that works, it really changes how you think about YouTube. And I wish I would have thought about that from the very beginning, but you know, live and learn. Now you can learn from what I didn't. Okay, this is actually one of my students. She has a channel. It's more of a lifestyle channel. My personal channel is more educational, but you've been on YouTube for a while, you understand there are different types of channels for different niches and different ways you want to go about it. Hers is lifestyle, about being in your 50s, living on your own as a solo second act. She revived an old channel and started to implement the strategies that I teach in my course. And then she got monetized. I was pretty excited. We were celebrating her, and she said she almost quit. It's true. I mean, YouTube's a journey, right? It's figuring things out. But if you have the help and you know actually how to do it, it makes the journey a lot more doable. You're not doing it alone. So then when she did get monetized, it actually grew her other videos. It pushed other videos to get more views. She's hit 38K, 22K, 108K, and 62K, 48K. And that is the power of learning YouTube, learning how to do it strategically. It would be good for her to start implementing different layers of income so that each one of her videos can then get the maximum amount of income for her, just like you saw on my channel. Now, this proves something really important. There isn't just one type of YouTube channel that works. But before you go, I want to share 3 lessons that I learned from my first year being on YouTube, getting monetized. These are things that I wish somebody had told me when I started. Consistency beats perfection. You don't have to be perfect to start, because I sure was not. And you just have to keep showing up. And honestly, strategy matters. Like, once I learned how to do thumbnails, titles, and how YouTube actually worked, well, you saw the numbers, right? Like, whew, everything changed. YouTube is a foundation for me. The real power comes when you build multiple income streams around your channel. Now, if you're thinking, I don't even know what type of channel I would start, what it would be about, then you're going to want to check out my free Passion to Profits workshop, because we break that down. Inside that workshop, we help you to discover what your niche could be, what you could create content about, and how to turn that passion into profits. And the strategy we teach uses YouTube as the foundation to build multiple income streams. So if you want to join that free workshop, the link is in the description below. Just grab it, join it, and learn. And if you want to see how one YouTube idea can turn into multiple income streams, then you're definitely going to want to watch this video right here, my friend, because I literally break it down. I think it might kind of blow your mind. I will see you in the next video, my friend.